It is snowing day today. Look at, we have a lot of snow in the ground. Wow.
Open it more.
Okay, all done. All done. Wow, this is doing snow enjoy. How about you, Tantan? Are you gonna do it? I'm sorry. Look at Sisi. You wanna do it this time, Sisi? You guys try to build a snowman?
The ground! Tristan, look it! The ground!
Down right here. And now do this. Yep, like that. And do
Great job!
your feet.
Your
go
feet.
Like this.
Great job, baby!
And now your hands all the way up. Now hold on, I'll pick you up. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Oh!
All right, there's Tantan. There's your snow angel. Right there, buddy.
We're going for a ride. There's the baby. Who's that one there over there? Who's that cutie boy? Is that Tristan? Yeah? And who's that pretty girl? Hi, Scarlett. It's snowing today, guys. So we're showing you some of the views while we're traveling, going to the mall.
Technology, letting you connect hundreds of devices at once.
No way. So if all the kids are watching stuff on their phones while their parents are sharing videos on
Their thing and party their way. No problem.
I need a bigger cake.
What do you mean, Tristan Beetlejuice?
Supply.
What are you guys eating?
Equipment taxes and fees extra. After promo, regular.
Where's Cece?
Internet required.
Hi, Cece.
Monthly data, data option.
I don't think there's a reason. There's not a good enough reason for them to cancel her dance class.
Yeah.
Little tips for a healthier
Because
planet.
there's nothing wrong now. Like even off the wall is open.
Ask for sustainable
Also, my nail salon.
Yeah.
You can help reduce
Well, I don't know. I mean,
I mean, it's
earlier
okay
it
for
was at 1.
1:45, my appointment.
But I mean, dance class, I think the earliest one is at like either 4:30 or 5 o'clock.
Sustainable living, or to take action.
Why? Well, actually, you know what? No. I will say that maybe they're just trying to make sure little kids are safe.
3 distinct intensity settings, because it's that little touch that's
Whatever you want to do.
Plus, save even more with the Easy Rewards.
Try Babbel for free at babbel.com.
Tristan.
BABBEL.com.
What is that?
One of those days where your gut just feels
Chicken nuggets? Who buy you chicken nuggets?
Occasional bloating or gas could be signs that your gut is out of balance.
It's
But Align Probiotic can
Daddy.
help. Align 24/7 digestive support is a daily use probiotic with a unique
What is that, Scarlett?
occasional digestive issues. It's the #1 doctor recommended brand. So when you feel the signs, it's time to try Align. Align Probiotic. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
iHeartRadio has your front row seat to football's biggest week.
Let's go finish on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Kick off the day with Dan Patrick on Fox Sports Radio.
See what the,
Coaches, players, legends. He's
what
got
the
them all
parking lot
live
looks
from
like,
Media
how many
Row.
people
Then
are
dive into
seeing,
the X's and O's of the game with NFL podcasts like NFL Live. Don't miss it. And of course, the game with live play-by-play coverage. This is how you do the NFL.
That
Log
is
in your
word.
favorite sports preset.
Missy.
Just open the free iHeartRadio app and search NFL to listen now.
This report is sponsored by Mattress Firm. It's Mattress Firm's President's Day sale. Get matched to your perfect bed. Stop by Mattress Firm to upgrade today. Restrictions apply.
From the Mix 93.1 Berkshire Heating and Air Conditioning Weather Center, experts in your home comfort no matter
Yeah.
what the weather decides. Here's
Where
the
is Dada's workplace?